Hi, so this is vlog number 4 now. We are at the third oasis, and we arrived yesterday after an incredible trip through just unbelievable landscape. There are no words to describe the landscapes in Mongolia. The oasis is about 1 kilometer away. We are not camping in the oasis because of the animals, the bears, and we are set up camp here. Let me show you the landscape behind me. So we are going to camp 3 nights here. So what I'm going to do today is show you the camp, how we set up the facilities, and basically how we are living this adventure in the desert. So you have to understand that we are setting up camp in places where the rangers of the national park have facilities. You can see here the roof of the little hut. We're gonna go inside, and the previous place was the same. There was a hut, a yurt, and this seems to be like a small building made for a lab or whatever, but we don't have the key. We try to get away from the wind because the wind can be strong at night. Previous camp, the wind almost destroyed the big tent. It definitely destroyed the tent of our colleague, the botanist, Lorenzo. So Lorenzo is homeless now. So you see, 2 people have set up the tents behind the little hut so they can stay away from the wind at night. Yesterday night was actually a very good night. Almost no wind at all. We all slept like babies for the first time, I think, since we left Ulaanbaatar. And other people have set up there in the gully. Our drivers, when we stop, they get busy doing whatever they have to do on the cars. I don't know, looking at the mechanics, fixing something, cleaning up. Uh, Say hello, Nasambat. Hello. Hello. Okay. I don't know what he's doing with the engine. You can see Zolo over there with the van. He's fixing something. Let's go see him. I cannot ask him what he's doing because he won't understand me. But okay, that's his bed.
Hey.
Hey. Okay, so he sleeps here. That's his little home. You can see the gasoline cans here, down there. We need a lot, both for the cars and the generator. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. You will see that this incredible kitchen setup. Water is coming from the ponds in the oasis. They boil it to avoid the pathogens. And we have this big gas tank for cooking, which they brought in the car, and this the stove, and that's where the food is prepared for 15 people. And you can see that she's now doing something. We'll see tonight at dinner. Huh? We, we don't understand each other, but we have fun. We have our meals under the watchful eyes of the Dalai Lama. It's very comfortable. It's cooling during the day and warm during the evenings. So now that we have toured the home facilities, let's go outside again and go visit the laboratory. Somebody had the good idea of setting up a hand washing station, which is basically a pocket of water and a bit of soap. But believe me, it's a relief. There have been times where we couldn't wash our hands for more than 24 hours. The path here with the stones shows the way to our bathroom. After all, this is a scientific expedition. We all have tasks to do. Even me as the photographer, I have a lot to do with the computer, etc. So we set up the labs and everything technical in this single tent. Hey Lorenzo, hey homeless Lorenzo. So as you can see, we're not traveling light. Our bad guys are going to set up here to also do their measurements on the bat. So that's one workstation. The second workstation is mine, just behind Lorenzo. Okay. And behind that is my charging station. If I turn right, we are entering the genomics lab. Our friend Massimo has his spot here with a computer, and you can probably hear the generator. Yeah, ciao. Massi also has a lot of stuff. It's a real lab, complete with a DNA sequencer and PCR experiments to amplify the DNA extraction, everything. We're running the generator the whole day. But we also have solar panels, which Marco is removing, I think, now from the roof of the hut. And that can charge lights, the power banks, and so we have another supply of energy from the sun, even if we can't rely only on that.
Let's change.
What are you doing, Lorenzo?
I'm collecting seeds with very much patience from plants collected here in the oasis.
All right.
So
some of these may actually become plants in the botanical garden. I mean,
yes. After we get the permission, but we have to start now.
Oh,
see, and
very good.
We will decide whether or not to show them and to use them. You have to follow me in 2 hours to take the picture with the drone. Remember.
All right, you heard it directly from Lorenzo. I got my orders for this evening, which are to go and fly the drone over the oasis. I'm saying yes to Lorenzo, so he's pleased. He thinks he can boss me around. But actually, the drone is ready, and that's what I was planning to do anyway. So, but
so
let
this
him
is not for me.
Let him believe, he's the boss. This morning, Paolo had a tick on his ear, which probably fell from the roof there. Anyway, the ticks are a major problem. They keep attacking us. Okay, I found another victim. Francesco, well, how are you doing? Resting?
Resting, yes.
Okay, Francesco's resting. Can you see him?
Hi.
Yeah, he's in the tent. Okay, now let's go bother Fabrizio. He's organizing stuff.
He's organizing everything.
I'm doing a vlog about
No, because
nothing, actually, a vlog about the camp in the afternoon. Look at this, he's organizing the chaos. Fantastic.
it's not well organized actually, but I'm
Well,
trying to.
I'm just filming everybody doing their stuff in the slow afternoon.
You're stalking people.
Huh? Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
stalking
stalking people. Exactly. All right, see you later.
Yeah, they.
Temperatures here in the Gobi are subject to dramatic change. We went last night with Paolo and Fabrizio, our two bat specialists. We went to catch bats in the oasis, and it was 4 degrees centigrade when we came back. And now, look, it's very warm and nice, and I think it's about 25 degrees right now, the temperature. Actually, I was finished with the vlog when Batok Tok decided to give us shower time. So we all went and had a little water and shampoo and washed ourselves, and it feels really, really good after not having washed for quite a few days. So this is a happy end to this vlog, and see you in the next episode.